So guys, I am back with the dinner. So for dinner, I decided to make my own special Fiesta pasta and cream macaroni. I have not tried making cream macaroni before, but well, I'm going to try this time around. I used the golden penny macaroni and the golden penny sugar with milk. Well, let's see how it is going to come out. Then for the spaghetti, I used the golden penny spaghettini and golden penny oil and golden penny butter and golden penny goody and a mix of other ingredients. So if you love to cook, this is for you. All you have to do to win up to 2.5 million naira worth of gifts and cash is upload a 2 minutes video of yourself cooking something from Golden Penny and tag Golden Penny on all social media platforms. Voila! And you can also stand the chance of signing contracts for 4 months, for 6 months, for 3 months, and becoming one of Golden Penny's ambassadors. Amazing, right? So if you love to cook, this is for you. You have to do this. See you guys later. Bye.